Almost one party na sila pa.
Ako.
Sige,
Sige.
sige.
Papirasi na, papirasi.
Tara, sige. Bahala na si Lord.
Okay, spread ha. Brawlers tayo guys ha. Spread. I-brawl nyo sila east side saka west side, okay? I-brawl nyo sila east side saka west side. Okay, brawl lang. Defensive front guys. Defensive front. Okay, defensive. Mas may healers guys. Mas may healers. Look at the clan. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Drop na wall. Ano ni? Drop na. Drop. Asset defense. Sige, go. Northeast. Brawl nyo lang. Sige, brawl nyo lang. Yung healers ko, sigit na lang. Dikit sa akin yung healers. Para makita nyo yung mga players natin. Brawl lang inside. Ready. Looking yan ha. Looking.
Sige.
Chill. Huwag kayong magdikit-dikit guys.
Guys.
Okay,
Ready.
Ready. Hold on. Okay, inside. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Inside only. Big. Wala na akong DPS. Left. Go north. Come north. Come north. Come north. Name the party guys.